Hello everybody. Happy Saturday. Thought I'd try something a little different today. First off, let me get in here so I don't bump that tripod. I've been messing around with the envelope generator, this little section here of my lovely Korg Minilogue XD analog synthesizer, polyphonic analog synthesizer. And I had never been able to really see what the deal was with it, but I think I've got it about figured out. But through my fooling around, I came up with this nice arpeggiator patch, which I like how it sounds. And so I wanted to see if I could get back to that. I've made a lot of patches on this thing. I don't think you can see me, can you? I've made a lot of patches on this thing and probably couldn't get back to most of them, but I wanted to see if I could do that today. So let's first off write this, because I would hate to lose it, and then scroll down to init program 463, which sounds like this. So if you were to hold down chords, sounds kind of like that, which is nothing like what we just heard. So what I figured out is that when you have, for instance, when you have the envelope generator set to pitch, it does that number. Or if you go left of center, it rises. That would be right of center. If you go left of center, it comes up, does the low end thing. So in the center, like I said, it's just kind of a, so what I want to do, so we're going to want to take that, I believe, to saw and give this a bit of actually we're going to take that to cut off. Since we're in unison, we can detune the two analog oscillators and make them sound real fat. So that's, then we want to take this, the digital oscillator, we're going to take that to a sine wave. And then I had some delay on there. I think it was around in the 400 millisecond range. So I'm going to take this to ARP, which is the arpeggiator, which doesn't quite sound like what we had before. So the first thing we're going to want to do is, since we're in ARP, we're going to take that to Rise Fall 2, I believe I had it. And then we I have to go into sequence parameter. How about art parameter? Rate is eighth. It's getting close. Like I might have done something else with this step length. No, none of that. No. So none of that stuff. Oh, I think we did this. So let's write this. Write it to 463 and then go back to 464. Well, let's hear it again. Change the delay time. Gets kind of freaky for a minute. here. Sound bad, but it's not the same. Anyway, that's what I've been messing with today, is figuring out this section here. Not to mention the LFO, which is real crazy. Let's set that to 1 shot. More normal. Shape, it gets weird. Have it on triangle. If you have it on saw wave, it kind of goes loud, then fades away, loud, fades away, loud, fades away. Triangle kind of just is up and down. And square wave is more of a off on, off on, off on. Pitch is even weirder. Arpeggiator. Just add arpeggiator for instant talent. That's all for today, though. I think it certainly doesn't match. So still got some work to do there, but it's not bad. See you soon.